Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get Gourdy in Dandy's World. This is what Gourdy looks like, by the way. Super cute. You get him when you reach, I guess, the 20th floor. Is there one here? Okay. And then basically the tip is to play as Roger, because Roger is very good for research because of his passive ability that gives him 2 times the research. And you're going to also play public lobbies. It's not for everybody, but obviously the more people who's playing, the more they can help, I guess, reach you to the 20th floor. Yeah, that's pretty much it, really. You can play in private lobbies if you're that good. And when you're playing in public, you're just going to learn how to distract the monster and stuff like that. And hopefully with those tips, you're able to get Gourdy. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.